All About Coal by Vincenzo.
The history of coal. Coal formed in ancient times predating dinosaurs, resulted from vast marshes covered in ferns and bushes. Over time, the plants sank into marshes, accumulating layers that were eventually compressed by weight, heat, and pressure, transforming them into coal. So what is coal? Coal are the remains of ancient plants that existed and perished millions of years ago that were used to create coal, a fossil fuel. Carbon makes the majority of it, along with a number of additional elements like hydrogen, sulfur, and oxygen. Coal is frequently used as a source of energy, primarily to produce electricity, industrial activities, and is normally extracted from mining. Where can coal be found? There are coal resources in many places on the planet. The United States, China, India, Australia, Russia, and Indonesia are major coal-producing nations. Coal can be found in a variety of geological formations and mining areas within these nations. There are many different types of coal deposits, come with large amounts of high-quality coal, while others have smaller or lower-quality resources. What are the reasons we use coal? We use coal for many reasons, such as electricity generation, metal production, cement production, gasification, chemical production, heat sources, and cooking food. The U.S. coal consumption peaked in 2005, but the annual tonnage of U.S. coal consumption peaked in 2007. Coal consumption declined in most years since then, mainly because of a decline in the use for electricity generation. The main advantages of coal are the energy density, technological advancements, job creation ability, and cost effectiveness. The coal industry provides employment opportunities for a significant number of people, particularly in regions with abundant coal reserves. This can contribute to local economies and support livelihoods. Coal has high energy density, meaning that a small amount of coal can produce a significant amount of energy. This makes it an efficient fuel for power generation, especially in large-scale coal-fired power plants. Coal is relatively inexpensive compared to other energy resources like natural gas and oil. Its affordability makes it an attractive option for countries with limited resources or developing economies seeking affordable energy solutions. The disadvantages of coal are environmental impact, air pollution, it's a non-renewable resource, safety hazards, and water contamination. Coal combustion releases large amounts of CO2, a greenhouse gas that contributes to climate change and global warming. It is the largest source of CO2 emissions among fossil fuels. Coal mining also leads to habitat destruction, soil erosion, and water pollution, particularly through the release of harmful chemicals and heavy metals. Coal mining operations can be dangerous and pose risks to workers' health and safety. Accidents in coal mines, such as cave-ins, explosions, and gas leaks, can result in injuries and fatalities. The extraction process is physically damaging and demanding and can lead to long-term health issues. What are the different types of coal? There are only 4 main types of coal. The types of coal are classified as anthracite, bituminous, subbituminous, and lignite. Anthracite is made of 90% of carbon and has the highest heating value of all types of coal. It was accounted for less than 1% of the coal mined in the U.S. in the year of 2021. Northeastern Pennsylvania is home to all of the anthracite mines in the United States. Bituminous contains between 45% and 86% carbon. Bituminous coal is the most prevalent type of coal in the United States, accounting for 45% of total U.S. coal output in 2021. Subbituminous coal has a lower heating value than bituminous coal and generally includes 35 to 45% carbon. Subbituminous coal accounted for approximately 46% of total U.S. coal output in 2021, with Wyoming producing 88% and Montana producing 8%. Lignite has the lowest energy content of all coal grades and includes 25 to 35% carbon. Lignite coal resources are typically fresh and have not been exposed to intense heat or pressure. Lignite is flaky and contains a lot of moisture, which adds to its poor heating value. Surface coal mining is a major way on how we harness and get coal. Surface coal mining is the main way we obtain coal, and a lot of this mining are in central Appalachian coal fields. During this process, layers of rock and dirt are removed between the coal seams. Large-scale earth-moving machines are used to excavate and remove coal from lower layers. Once it's complete, the area is revegetated.